All right, so sign fraction division, it's going to follow the same rules as fraction division. The only thing is we're going to have to watch the signs. Remember, division is the same thing as multiplying, so if it's the same sign, so positive times positive or positive divided by positive is going to be a positive, negative times negative, those are the same sign, gives you positive. And then if they're mixed signs, you're going to end up with a negative. And so just remember that. Multiplication and division work the same way. So if they're the same sign, we're going to have positive, different signs, going to be negative. Now, when we're dealing with fractions, you always want to keep things fractions. So make anything that's not a fraction. And then we keep the first fraction. So negative 11 over 3. Change to multiplying, flip or do the reciprocal of the last fraction. We're going to multiply straight across. Okay, so we have negative 11 times 1 over 3 times 3. Look and see if there's anything you can reduce. There isn't, so we have one negative. You can leave it on the top or you can put it in front of your fraction. Negative 11 times 11 is 11. And 3 times 3 is 9. They do not tell you to make it a mixed number. I would leave it as is. Or if you want to make it a mixed number, it will be a negative. 9 goes into 11 one time, and there will be 2 left over with 9. But like I said, I like the improper fractions much better than the mixed numbers. They are easier to work with when we do other stuff with them. You don't have to change them back. So math-wise, they work easier. Now, another example, just to make sure. So we're going to keep the first fraction, negative 4/5. We're going to change to multiplying. We're going to flip the next fraction, which is going to be a negative 15 over 16. We're going to multiply straight across. So you have a negative 4 times negative 15 over 5 times 16. I'm going to take time right here. The negative and the negative are going to cancel out because there's 2 negatives in the problem. 4 I can reduce with this 16. 4 goes into 16 4 times. 4 goes into 4 one time. 5 goes into 15 3 times, and it goes into 5 once. So this gives me 1 times 3 over 1 times 4, which is just 3 over 4. Okay, so just be careful. I like to reduce before I actually multiply the numbers. Just makes me have smaller numbers to deal with.